Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope it's a beautiful day wherever you're at. It's gorgeous here in the Ozarks today, but it doesn't matter what it's like outside. It's always a great day inside to learn to play the guitar. So we are in our supplement book, and today we are learning to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, which is number 12 in our book. And we are going to do it in 3 speeds. We're going to do it at 40, 50, and 60 beats per minute. So I don't want you to have to switch back and forth from video to video to learn how to play at those different speeds. So why don't we do this time? We'll do it first at 40 beats per minute and we'll play it 4 times through. We'll do 50 beats 4 times through, and we'll do 60 beats 4 times through. And by that time, when you get to 60, you should be doing really good. So let's get started here. And we are already at 40. We're going to just keep this soft rock beat. That's what my keyboard says it's called. I guess it's kind of right. But it keeps the time, and that's what we need. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That's our beat for Twinkle Twinkle. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Repeat. Last time through. Okay, so now we're going to bump it up to 50. And if that was enough for you, just stop the tape right there. And the next time you go play this as a practice, you may go on to the 50 beats a minute. So let's bump it up here. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll play it through 4 times. So you get the beat, you get the counts, and you feel where all those counts are falling in the measure and how the notes are counted out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. how'd you do with that? A little bit faster, makes it a little bit harder, but I'm sure you can do it. You may not be able to do it today, but give yourself 5 days and you'll have it. I know you will. Okay, let's bump it up to 60. Here we go. Twinkle Twinkle never sounded so good with a little rock beat in the background. And I hope you're tapping your toe as you play along. It really, really does help with your counting and keep you on track with a metronome. 1, 2, here we go. Third time. Last time. Okay, so there we are, 60 beats per minute. How did you do? So keep working at it. You'll get it. If you didn't get it today, it just takes practice. So you should be practicing at least 30 minutes a day. If you really love the guitar, practice a lot more and you'll progress a lot faster. So remember, every day is a good day to learn to play the guitar. And another reminder, visit me at Seedling Stories on YouTube. It's my brand new channel of original written music. See you there. Bye-bye.